Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will be making this vegan mac and cheese, which will be perfect for Thanksgiving, which is coming up in a couple of days. First, we cook 3.5 cups of our pasta. Next up, we make our cheese sauce, and we're going to start by making a roux, where we first heat up our fat. In this case, I'll be using refined coconut oil, but you could use butter or like other oils as well here too. So we have 1/2 cup of our oil heated up, and we're going to add equal parts of flour. So 1/2 cup of flour to make the roux. And we want to stir this constantly, or else the roux is at risk of burning. Once the roux is smooth and bubbly, we're going to add in 3.5 cups of boiling water. Give it a little mix. Then we add 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
Show oil over here.
Then we add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Again, give it a little stir. Next, we add 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Give it a little mix again. Then we add a pinch of turmeric. And a pinch of nutmeg. Once the sauce starts to thicken and bubble, we can add a 1/4 cup of oil. And 1 cup of nutritional yeast. And of course now we give this a mix too. Now we mix some of our cheese sauce with the macaroni. Now we transfer the mac and cheese to a casserole dish. Then we cover the mac and cheese with the rest of our cheese sauce. Then we sprinkle the top with some paprika. Then we toss it in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Once it's done baking, we can switch the oven to broil for a couple minutes to get the cheese nice and stretchy and crisp. I just took the mac and cheese out the oven, and so far it's looking pretty good. So now it's time to try our mac and cheese. So I have myself a little plate, so now to try it. So honestly, I do think that this came out pretty good. Cheese sauce has some nice texture, like with the pasta, pretty good. I think the only thing is that the flavor is a little bit on the heavy side of the nutritional yeast. So maybe just having a little bit less of the nutritional yeast would sort of round out the flavor a little better. But honestly, I am quite surprised how good I think this did come out, considering that we didn't use any like store-bought vegan cheeses, and that it's completely vegan. And also, if you happen to have any of the extra cheese sauce from the mac and cheese, you could use that as like a queso dip with some chips. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Everyone have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you in the next one.